we are gonna go get some. Actually, when I got these mirrors, this one was scratched. I think it was rubbing against the other mirror. Even though it had like plastic wrapping around it, it was scratched. So I complained to the Amazon seller, and they just sent me a new set. So I have the old set in my backpack. We're gonna go drop this off at Whole Foods, and then so it's a quick little trip. But yeah, this is the bike with the exhaust on. Feels good, sounds amazing. This bike is so cool. Train crossing. Ooh, nice Porsche. A four-door Porsche seems weird to me still. Doesn't make sense. Four-door Porsche is weird. Where do you guys stand on four-door Porsches? Porsches? Four doors, what do you think? Yes or no in the comments. Oh yeah. Pressure on the chest and face and the shoulders from just like the wind. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm gonna look into a windscreen. See if that helps a little bit. Because you can definitely feel it. It's like pushing me back hard. Stinger. Shall we cut? Let's cut. Let's cut right here. Boom. Alright, we are at the Whole Foods shopping center. We dropped off what needs to be dropped off, and I picked up some milk for the boys. Let's rock and roll. down this lane here, but whatever. It sucks. Well, here's a little path we can go down. Not fun. Not fun at all. Not fun at all. Not one bit of fun. I'm gonna cut in right here as much as I can. Oh, it's a stop sign, huh? The light's actually out. Okay, so fuck it, I'm going straight. From what I was reading on the bike, it's supposed to, the blinker's supposed to last like 3 blinks if you just tap it. I tapped it and it's still going. Maybe I need to tap it faster. Nope, still going. Tapped it, but it's still going. Tap. It's supposed to auto turn off too. Let's see if it does. Turning into this lane. Will it turn off? It did. It did turn off on its own. That's cool. I like the nighttime display better. It looks so cool, the black. It looks evil. Evil. Yeah, that's the Sith Lord display, the night mode. Night mode. Sith Lord. Chillin'. In 6th gear, going 64 at 4,000 RPM. Uphill, both ways. Alright, I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Just for this little section. See if I can feel it. I mean, I know I can feel a difference. I've tried it before. But let's just put it in sport mode, see how it behaves. That is a monster. That is legit a monster.